Gold yesterday created a bullish candle, and we can see that the prices continue to rise in value, where to 751.09. The resistance level has been broken yesterday with this bullish candle. Yesterday, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout above 2738.50. We can see that here. Continue to rise in value, going above 2751.09. And we can see stop it at the 4-hour resistance at 2763.67. I have mentioned yesterday there is potentially that the price could reach this area, then bounce back down, which could be potentially retraced back down like in this example before. Will that happen? Well, we'll see, but currently what I can see is that the bullish breakout is formed and it needs to be validated today, where the price should not return below this area of support in order to validate this bullish breakout as a valid one. If it is validated, this means that the price will continue to rise in value, where the next resistance will be here around 2774, which we can see here also around 2776.85 on the 4-hour time frame, and on a 1-hour time frame it will be around 2770 and 2776. This will be the target, but first of all we can see that the price needs to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance to 763.67. Will that happen? We will see on the lower time frame, like 1-hour time frame and 4-hour time frame. And this is something that I will share inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they are informed how the price will behave, and also when the price forms a breakout, or is it bullish or bearish, and what is the potential target with that breakout. For now, we can see that the price for the gold is trying to make higher price levels, reaching higher price levels, and it is formed a bullish breakout, which is already a first step to move higher today. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.